To customize the lock screen on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, first of all we can open Settings. Next we're gonna choose Wallpaper and Style, and here we should be able to see the lock screen. If not, then of course we can swipe between the home screen and the lock screen. Now we have a couple of options. You can either tap on the lock screen in order to tap again, and then we can of course customize the wallpaper. We can move it around, zoom in, zoom out, change the position, and so on and so forth. But you can also, if we go back, let's actually cancel that. We don't want to make any changes to the wallpaper now. If we go back over here and scroll down, then we have more customization. So we can customize the clock over here. We can choose a different font, color, and size. So let's say we're gonna choose this one. I'm gonna pick a red color, and we can also make it large or smaller, like this. Of course, we can press apply in the top right corner once we are done. Then we have shortcuts, so we can add shortcuts to the left and right corners at the bottom of the screen, so you can choose whatever you wish to have quick access to in the lock screen. We can also manage notifications on the lock screen in here, and we can find more lock screen settings in this place. And that is pretty much all that we can do in the lock screen. Unfortunately, we cannot add widgets to the lock screen. We can change the wallpaper, we can change the clock a little bit, and we can manage lock screen shortcuts or buttons, and that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.